Oos, it is Hey, what's up, konnichiwa. So in this video, more cool stuff from Wonder Festival 2023 Winter. And in this video, we take a look at the Skytube Krakendress Lania. And this is a character from Dark Advent. And this is the DX version 1.2. So I think previously they released another version of Lania Krakendress. And yeah, that was pretty cool. And so this is a new and improved one, I believe. And this is a non-scale plastic model that was designed by Masaki Apsi. So yeah, kind of famous designer. But yeah, at the moment this still has no release date, no price, but hopefully more information will be available soon. And let me know what you guys think. Feel free to rate, comment, and subscribe. And see you again soon. どうもありがとうございます。また会いましょう。じゃあね。Oos. Thanks for watching.